Weather Service in Fort Worth has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Dallas County in north central Texas until 6 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:16 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Dallas, moving south at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Dallas, Duncanville, Cedar Hill, and surrounding areas. For your protection, get inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. The current time is